Right, on this final part, we are simply going to add the model or apply the model to the built-up item above. Remember, we must delete the model after we've finished it because the model is not part of this job, and you could have done this model in a separate job if you wanted to. So we'd previously saved it to the library. We're now going into the library using F9. We're opening up the library, and we're going to use a predefined filter that exists in our category to search the library. And I'm going to go straight into edging steel because I remembered we stored the build up there. It's a logical place to store it. I'm looking down through here, and I remember the job's name is new import. So I'm going to choose the job new import for the job because I've got quite a few built up items over here in my library, built up items of various edging permutations. I have now chosen the required item, and I go proceed to bring it into the job. I merge it into the currently selected item. It picks up the 184, and I either use the existing jobs description, which I would in this case, or use the library, or use both combined together. I have a choice. I could then re-edit it as I wanted to. And then ditto with the units if you're using meter squared into a meter cubed, and finish. It's now brought those in at the required resourcing loadings, 184 linear meters of edgings, and look at the labor. It's done that all exact. You can adjust it. You can fine tune it at this stage as well. Also, that is a ticked item in the library. You can see, so you can use it for future use because it's got a tick. And if you want to, you can edit it only in terms of the quantity. If you want to edit the description, you have to, or the price, you have to go into the library and edit it and press connect to update it. Have a look here. If you type MET to search the library and your F9 search key or your icon as you like to do it, there's all your things with MET, not showing too clearly over here, but they are. There you go. If I clear that, I'll show my whole library and I can search for anything else. I can also search by category, etc. Remember, you've got 4 libraries: material, labor, plant, and subcontractor, each with their own information. And there's the phone ringing as I told you it was.